The stock market is driven by humans and therefore driven by emotions. This month, the markets have gone up a lot and nobody wanted to be left behind. So everybody started buying aggressively and we've entered a fear of missing out environment. This is not the first time it happens. I'm currently reading a book called Extraordinary Popular Delusions and the Madness of Crowds, which was published in 1841. This book is a collection of financial manias and bubbles that happened in the past centuries. What I can tell you from history is that people don't learn from history. So we will have some episodes of hype in the stock market again and again. Nobody knows if this euphoria will continue, but what I can explain is what is driving this shift in sentiment. First, companies are beating expectations and delivering quite strong numbers. So the business is not so bad. The second point is that inflation continues to go down. This is very simple, and these two elements make people more optimistic. Even the Fed thinks that there won't be a recession. So even though the markets are trading at a rich valuation, people think that the business will be strong and they bet on the future. In other words, because of the strong earnings, the risk of a collapsing economy has decreased. And we can see this optimism in our eToro portfolio, up 6% this month. Now, in terms of the companies we own, Meta released earnings with a huge beat on revenue and earnings. Every metric has improved and the Reels adoption is driving the growth engine. Zuck is definitely back. Everybody likes the stock, which is now above $320. In the same area, Google also had good earnings and the stock is moving up this month. Also, Pool Corp released earnings, which were lower than expected, but we see an improvement of the environment. The company is focused on managing its expenses and having a good balance sheet. In this past quarter, it generated a lot of cash, paid down debt, and reduced inventory levels. So plenty of good news. More people have joined the ship. We went from 10 copiers to 13 copiers. The number of people following our eToro account went from 91 to 110. And the number of subscribers on our YouTube channel went from 75 to 111. If you like this content, you can subscribe to follow our investment journey. And if you'd like to copy this portfolio on eToro, please check out the link in the description below. That's it for this month. I see you in a few weeks. Bye bye.